I'm Camille Balanche. I'm a downhill pro rider. We are here in Macolin. This is where I live and I train. So this is my home track, and we build everything by hand with trail net, and we can do really cool stuff, but there is two sectors that we really struggle on with a lot of rocks. We tried and we tried again, and every time we just don't move forward. There is rocks everywhere, so it's getting really tricky to ride, especially for the beginners. So we really want to try to do something there, but we need either a lot of dirt, which we don't have, or just like a big machine to break all the rocks. Luckily, I know the person I need to call for this, and I'm sure we're gonna do a good job.
Hey Michu, alles klar bei dir? Ja, ich auch, danke. Hey guys!
Michu and I met this morning and we walked down the track. I could show him what I wanted, what I had in mind. He could also tell me what's possible, but everything's possible, so it's amazing to have him, because he's the best Swiss guy that do this work. He's the Swiss champ, and I'm like the best in Switzerland as well, so having the two best doing their job is just amazing. We're gonna redo the step up, reshape so it's a bit faster, and then do a big berm into a new jump. We're gonna redo that part and then make the landing better and the next berm better, so a lot of improvement, and like a new line as well, which is super exciting. He told me that we could do that easily. It's the machine for that, and it will be easy for him. I had the chance to ride the machine. You need to be actually really good. You have so many handles to move the same times in every direction, so I feel like it's pretty similar to our sport as well. You need to be very good with your legs, your hand, and the whole coordination, so I really like it. They're both super comfy and they're super easy to get used to because they're just super similar. We used the 302 and 302.7, and that was cool. I was super surprised that it was silent and easy to work with, and that was cool. It's crazy to see how fast you can work with a machine and how efficient you can be. You can do everything you want, so it's up to your creativity, and it's just so nice to see everything that is possible, and I hope it's going to open some ideas and possibility in the future for the track, and that will be so sick to have a track made by the machine. fortunate to be working with Caterpillar for this project. It was super easy to work with and they made this possible, so super happy.